Hi friends, today is 11th May and today I am going for my vaccination. So I'll be sharing my experience with you all that how it goes. So few preparations that are to be done before getting vaccinated is you need to have a very good breakfast. Carry a small sanitizer with you and wherever you feel like please use it. Number 3, please wear 2 masks and one of them should be N95. Right? Another thing is you need to carry your Aadhaar card with you for getting vaccinated. So here we are going to Jila Mahila Chikitsalaya or District Women Hospital. Then we entered this hall and there was a long queue like this. Here we waited for about 10-20 minutes and then we were given a token and we entered this hall. Here people were sitting at appropriate distance from each other and they were waiting patiently for their number to come. And various photographers also came from various news channels to take your photograph. But here we committed a mistake. So I'm back home after getting my vaccination done. I took the shower and it was good. It was not at all bad. And see, many of us are so much scared regarding getting the vaccination, but it's nothing scary at all. Just one thing happened with me. What happened when I booked my slot? It shows that my center was district ward number 18 to 44, Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. Right? You know, in Bareilly there are two gates for district hospital. One is on right hand side and the other one is on left hand side. So in my in that slot, in that registration, it was written district 18 to 44. So by mistake what I did, I just gone to the ward which is known as a female district hospital. Right, मैं उस वाले में चली गई थी. So later on I came to know, I just waited here for 1 hour or 2 hour and I was very tense that my name is not there in the list. You need to check the list. The list is attached there and if your name is there in the list, then only you will be getting the injection the very day. So I checked the list, my name was not there, my brother's name was also not there. Then someone told us that this is the wrong place, you need to go to the other district hospital which is on the other side, other hand side. So then we visited there and there it hardly took 20 minutes for us. There was a queue which were having 15-20 people, but each one of us is getting vaccinated very fast, and the staff which was working there, they were very cooperative. They were really treating you good, and injection, it just took less than 30 seconds to get the vaccine, and it was not at all a bad experience. So this was all about my day today, and the purpose to make this video was to motivate you all to get the vaccine as soon as possible. In case you are still scared or you are still confused whether we should go for it or whether we should not go for it, or we should go for Covaxin or we should go for Covishield. So in case you have any query, you can just ask me in the comment section. I'll reply to each one of you, and also share this video with your friends so that whoever is confused or whoever is thinking to skip this vaccine, no, there is no option to skip this vaccine, and please motivate others to get vaccinated as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.